So good evening. Welcome to Sakalavidya YouTube channel. So welcome to the Ecet 2021 classes. So today we are going to start the chapter compound angles for the first chapter. So welcome you all for Ecet 2021 classes. So our chapter name is compound angles. Part 1. So it will be useful for even Eamcet and other exams also. Okay, compound angles part 1. So now how many of you joined? Just chat to chat box. Vinay. Okay, okay. Welcome Vinay. Next. Any other? Any other? Jagdish, welcome. Jagdish Chari. Good evening. Good evening. Manik Hanta. Good evening. Satchamurthy. Welcome Siva. Welcome. Okay Vinay. What's the rule number? Is it your rule number? Kishore, Pavan, Jaggu, Rishikumar. Welcome. Good evening all. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Ibrahim Khalil. So within few minutes I shall start the session. But actually the total concepts, okay, no problem Vinay, no problem, let it be. But till the end of the session you need to watch the video, that's very important. Mahesh, good evening. So first introduction I will discuss today. So after that introduction followed by the problems, that's my plan. So don't worry. So I will discuss the introduction part is very important. Okay, good evening all. Sri Nayak, Mahmoud Basha. Okay, let us wait for just 2 minutes and then I will start. Srinivas. Pavan. Okay, first let us start our concept today. Okay, definitely, Jagu. It will be kept separate playlist itself only. Good suggestion. So the first point. So what is meant by the compound angles? What is meant by the compound angles? Compound angles means the algebraic algebraic sum of two or more angles is called a compound angle. So now that is, we have a plus b, a minus b, a plus b plus c, next a plus b minus c, a minus b plus c, a minus b minus c, and so on. So these are called the compound angles. Next, second point is, if A and B are any two angles, then so in that first formula we have sine of A minus B. See, the sine of A minus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. This is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Next, sine of A minus B. Sine of A minus B means same terms, only the sign change. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Next, in that one, third one, cos of A plus B. So cos of A plus B is very important. Cos of A plus B, generally we get confusion while writing. So cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Next, fourth formula. Sorry, this is here cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Yes, daily the classes will be there. So cos of A minus B equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So now, next, third formula. If A comma B, A plus B and A minus B are not odd multiples, same classes, 8 odd multiples of pi by 2, then, so let me explain. Thank you Gangula. See here, what is the important thing means, A plus B, A minus B should not be odd multiples of pi by 2. Odd multiples of pi by 2 means that will be like this form. Odd number is 2n plus or minus 1 multiplied by pi by 2. Because A should not be equal to pi by 2, B should not be equal to pi by 2, even A plus B should not be equal to pi by 2, A minus B also. Then only the following formula holds good. What is the formula? In that one, first formula, tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b equals to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b. So now the second formula, tan of a plus a minus b. Tan of a minus b is equal to, in the numerator change minus sign, in the denominator plus sign. You get like this, tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Sometimes the concept based question may be asked in the examination. So to define tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, the following condition is satisfied. What is the condition? Here see, a comma b and a plus b are not odd multiples of pi by 2, or they should not be in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 or 2n minus 1 into pi by 2. So that we need to write it. So this is very important. Generally we won't discuss regular classes. Yes, definitely. Every Swapna, every chapter I will complete. Trigonometric equations, integration, differentiation, everything. So total, this is each and every topic I will discuss. Okay, now the fourth formula. In fourth formula also we have the condition. See, if a comma b, a plus b and a minus b are not the integral multiples of pi. So that means it should not be equal to n pi, where n is an integer, n belongs to z, integer. So this is actually Tejasvi. So this free classes, I don't take anything, I don't charge anything. Try to concentrate. Okay, definitely I will forward the schedule. Right. If a comma b, a plus b, a minus b are not the integral multiples of pi, that means a does not equal to n pi, b does not equal to n pi, a plus b does not equal to n pi, a minus b does not equal to n pi. Then only the following formula holds good. What is the first formula? Cot of a plus b. So cot of a plus b equals to cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a, write down. Cot b plus cot a. It will be very easy to remember. Second formula, cot of a minus b. See, the cot of a minus b equals to cot a cot b plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a, not cot a minus cot b. Cot b minus cot a. This is a fourth formula. So now let us move to the fifth one. Fifth set. In that first formula, already we have discussed sin of a plus b and sin of a minus b also. If we add these two, we get a wonderful result. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to, all of you, my request to all my students, please concentrate on the lesson. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the offline session also. So you can find comment section, in that you can comment it. Thank you, Tejasvi. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. So that means sum of two trigonometric functions can be expressed as a product using this one. So now the second one, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Very simple. Here you do one thing. So interchange a and b. That means 2 cos A sin B. This equal to 2 cos A sin B. So now third formula. Cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. Cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B equals to 2 cos A cos B. Both are cos's you will be getting. Okay. So now the fourth one. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So this is equal to, both are sines. 2 sin A sin B you will be getting. So my dear children, you remember, if you want to write like this, see, cos of A plus B minus of cos of A minus B. Here you remember negative sign you will get. Negative 2 sin A sin B. But if you want to get positive, so cos of A plus B should be subtracted from cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. Or else you can use this formula also. So next sixth set. In that first one, this is very important. Based on these formulae, we get definitely one problem in the examination. In any entrance examination, it may be Ecet or Eamcet, whatever it may be. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Because in the examination, right hand side will be given and you are asked to find out like this. Sin square A minus sin square B value will be asked, and you need to write sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B, and we need to find out the value. Or this can be written like this. Cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus cos square A also we can write it. Next, second formula. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Do you expect? What do you get? What do you get? Always cos square first, sin square next, whatever angle it may be. That means you can have like this. Cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus sin square A. This is the speciality of this formula. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So next, third one. Tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B. Do you expect? What do you get it now? What do you get it? Tejasvi? Kishore? Are you there, Kishore? Swapna? Pavan? Mahmood? Srinayak? Vinay? Ibrahim? Jaggu? So what is tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B? Expect, what do you get it? Okay. Here you get like this. Tan square A minus tan square B upon 1 minus tan square A into tan square B. Okay, now the fourth formula. Cot of A plus B into cot of A minus B. Oh, very good. Good try. Good try. Very good. Cot of A plus B into cot of A minus B. Cot of A plus B into cot of A minus B. You expect, what do you get? Very good, Nana. Ibrahim Khalil. So till the end of the session you need to concentrate. Introduction part is very important. So this is cot square A multiplied by cot square b minus 1 upon cot square b minus cot square a, you will be getting. Next, seventh one is very important, so that I take a different color. Seventh one is based on seventh one. Actually, the most of the questions were asked based on seventh formula. So what is the seventh formula means? So that I will take a different color. Tan of 45 degrees plus theta. This is 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. This is same as cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Same, this can be expressed in terms of cot also. This is equal to cot of 45 degrees minus theta. Both are same. Tan 45 degrees plus theta is same as cot of 45 degrees minus theta. So this is actually first formula in that one. Now the second formula. Tan of 45 degrees minus theta. Tan of 45 degrees minus theta is equal to reciprocal. Reciprocal, what do you know? Reciprocal, yes, only mathematics. So reciprocal means 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Here also reciprocal. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta upon, yes, cos theta plus sin theta. Yes, this is equal to, we can write cot 45 degrees plus theta. Absolutely correct. Cot 45 degrees plus theta. So one more important thing you remember, if you multiply these two, what do you get? If you multiply these two, what do you get? If you multiply these two, what do you get? So that means tan of 45 degrees plus theta multiplied by tan of 45 degrees minus theta. See, it's very simple. 1 plus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta multiplied by 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. Wonderful, Pavan. So you will be getting 1. Tan of 45 degrees plus theta into tan of 45 degrees minus theta is equal to 1. From this also, we can actually, one more formula we can frame. Suppose a plus b equals to 90 degrees, or we can say a comma b are complementary. Complementary means sum of the two angles is 90. That is called complementary angles. If a plus b is equal to 90, you check here. For example, this is a, this is b. If you add a plus b, theta cancel, you will be getting 90 degrees itself only. So if a plus b is equal to 90, you get wonderful formula. A plus b is equal to 90 degrees. You remember, Nana, all of you, tan a into tan b equals to 1. Even cot a into cot b also 1. Even sin a into cos b is also 1. Even sec a into cosec b is also 1. So this important result, you remember, it will be useful for the all entrance examinations. You remember this one. Saket, welcome Saket. So now let us move to the eighth. Now shortcuts I am going to discuss in eighth one. Eighth, this also very important. These are the actually problems, but as well as shortcuts. First one, if tan alpha is equal to m upon m plus 1, m, just this is m, this is more than 1, m plus 1, and tan beta is equal to 1 upon 2m plus 1, then tan of alpha plus beta equals to, always you will be getting 1, or alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4 or 45 degrees. Pi by 4 or 45 degrees. You can write this answer. One example also let me discuss here. Example. See, if tan alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and tan beta is equal to 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Yes, Nana. Yes. You check here, tan alpha is equal to m is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. It is in the form of m by m plus 1, 1 by 2m plus 1. So therefore, then if you are asked like this, alpha plus beta equals to, first option 45 degrees, second option 30 degrees, third option 60 degrees, fourth option none. Which is the correct option now in this one? Which is the correct option? So without any paper pen you can write now. It is in the form of m is equal to 1, 1 by 1 plus 1, 2. This is 1 by 2 into 1, 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to 45 degrees. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay. So next, go to second shortcut. Second shortcut. What is the second shortcut? If tan alpha is equal to m plus 1 by m, reverse, m plus 1 by m, tan beta equals to 1 upon 2m plus 1, then tan alpha minus beta equals to 1, or alpha minus beta is equal to 45 degrees or pi by 4. Pi means 180 degrees, by 4 that will be 45 degrees. So one example, let me discuss one example. Example. If tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3, tan beta equals to 1 upon 7, then alpha minus beta equals to, first option 30 degrees, second option 60 degrees, third option 45 degrees, fourth option 0 degrees. So which is the right option? Which is the right option? Anybody? Which is the right option? Without paper, pen, just by observation of this shortcut. See, m is equal to 3, m plus 1, 4 plus 1, 3. So this is 1 by m is equal to 3, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. It is in the form of 1 by 2 m plus 1, this is m plus 1 by m. So that's why tan alpha minus beta is equal to, here you get tan alpha minus beta equals to 1, we'll get it now. That implies alpha minus beta is equal to 45 degrees. Yes, third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Right. One more shortcut. Let me discuss one more shortcut. Third shortcut. If tan alpha is equal to m upon m minus 1 and tan beta equals to 1 upon 2m minus 1, then tan alpha minus beta equals to 1, or alpha minus beta is equal to 45 degrees or pi by 4. So in the exercise part I will discuss the problems. So let me first conclude the session now. So next now fourth one. This is important. Fourth one. I take another color. Even it will be useful for inverse trigonometric functions also. The same concepts will be useful while dealing with the inverse trigonometric functions. So if tan A equals to m upon n and tan B equals to m minus n by m plus n, then tan of A plus B equals to 1 or A plus B equals to 45 degrees or pi by 4. So just you remember one more technique also here we can remember. N minus m is there instead of m minus n. Then A minus B you will get it. Then A minus B you will get it. So fifth shortcut. If tan A equals to same m by n and tan B equals to n minus m by n plus m, then tan of A minus B equals to 1 or A minus B equals to 45 degrees or pi by 4. So these are the shortcuts. Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Next, after this one I will discuss. This is the actually first class. Let me complete this one first. Later I will discuss. Okay. So now ninth one. So first one, tan A plus tan B. So tan A plus tan B. That means actually in applications of trigonometry, that means in heights and distances, this will be useful. This will be useful. So tan A plus tan B is nothing but sine of A plus B upon, this will be cos A cos B. Sine of A plus B by cos A cos B is equal to tan A plus tan B. Second one, tan A minus tan B equal to sine of A minus B upon cos A cos B. So there is a pattern. You can easily, so no problem Swapna, no problem, you can ask. So third one, cot A plus cot B. Cot A plus cot B equals to sine of B plus A upon sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. Next fourth one, cot A minus cot B. This is sine of B minus A upon sin A sin B. Okay, Balu, I am diploma final year student. I watched Ecet 2020 offline videos and preparing for the exam, sir. Thank you. Sin A sin B. And one more, 10th one. This 10th one is very important. Most of the problems will be solved based on this 10th concept. So 10th concept, please note down. The 10th concept is, first one is this very important shortcut, sin theta plus sine of 120 degrees plus theta and minus sine of 120 degrees minus theta. This is 0, you remember. So very useful Eamcet class also. Second one, sine theta plus sine 240 degrees plus theta and minus sine 240 degrees minus theta is also 0. Okay, after completion of page, please give 30 seconds time to take the screenshot. Okay, Nana. Okay, definitely. I will, because it is a competitive examination, so I'm moving so fast. Okay, I will make a slow down for the sake of you people. Definitely. So third one, cos theta plus cos 120 degrees plus theta plus cos 120 degrees minus theta, all are positive values, equal to 0. So based on these concepts, actually you may be asked questions in the examination. Fourth one, cos theta plus cos 240 degrees plus theta plus cos 240 degrees minus theta is also 0. Okay. Right. So this year definitely the Ecet 2021 batch, till the completion of the total syllabus, it will be continued. Last year I actually concentrated more on Eamcet 2020 batch. Most of the 90% of the syllabus has been completed. So now I will concentrate on this Ecet 2021 examination. Today is the first class for Ecet 2021. Okay, next one is, let us move to 11th formula. 11th one, this is very important. This is also, these are also shortcuts you need to remember. This condition is very important. If a plus b is equal to 45 degrees, or it may be 225 degrees, whether it may be 45 or 225, these are the okay. Right. If a plus b is equal to 45 degrees or 225, then first shortcut, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Whether a plus b is equal to 45 or a plus b is equal to 225, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, you will get 2. You remember this one. And next, second one, 1 minus cot a into 1 minus cot b is also 2. 1 minus cot a into 1 minus cot b is also 2. But here one thing you remember, this is very important. I will take another color because it's special formula. 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b equal to 2 cot a cot b, you will get it. 2 cot a cot b, you will get it. So next, this is the third one. So these are the important you need to remember. If a plus b is equal to 45 or a plus b is equal to 225, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B 2, but 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is equal to 2 cot A cot B. So whereas 12th formula also, 12th, this is also important. See, if A plus equals to, instead of 45, 135 degrees, or this is 355 degrees, then first one, 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B equals to 2. Second formula, 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B equals to 2. Now you can expect what is 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B? 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. That is 2 tan A tan B. 2 tan A tan B. So remember this formula. Murthy. So you need to wait till the completion of the session. Okay. Next one. Today total I will discuss the concepts. Tomorrow I will start the problems. So these you need to practice yourself. Now 13th one. So 13th one. In that first one, sine of A plus B plus C. So my dear children, you know sine of A plus B. But what is sine of A plus B plus C? Sometimes these type of questions may be asked in entrance examinations. My dear children, you remember sine of A plus B plus C is equal to sigma. Don't worry, I will explain sigma. Sine A cos B cos C minus sine A sine B sine C. Don't worry, I will explain about the sigma also. Don't worry. Second one, cos of A plus B plus C formula. Cos of A plus B plus C formula also you need to remember. So Mahesh, actually please forward syllabus. I don't have the syllabus with me. Present syllabus, third semester syllabus. So just could you mail to this one? Okay. Cos of A plus B plus C is equal to C cos A cos B cos C minus sigma sin A sin B cos C. Don't worry, while doing the problems definitely we will make use of all these formulae. So next third one is tan of A plus B plus C. Tan of A plus B plus C is equal to, this we can remember, sigma tan A minus pi tan A. So what is the difference between sigma and pi also? I will explain later, don't worry. 1 minus sigma tan A tan B. Generally this is actually called as S1, this is S3, this is S2 also. This symbol also you have. S1, this is S3, 1 minus S2. Where you can remember like this. S1 is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C. In some textbooks. Okay. Rabbi Sujan. Next S2. S2 is equal to, taken 2 at a time, sum tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. This is S2. That means pi tan A means this is the meaning. S3. S3 is equal to product of tan A tan B tan C. Tan A into tan B into tan C. So my dear students, you can remember like this: S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2 tan of A plus B plus C is equal to. You can remember in this manner also. So now the 14th one. 14th one is also, we are going to discuss now 14th one. Crystal clear explanation. Actually each and every concept I have been discussing. Please kindly concentrate on the lesson. A plus B plus C equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. This is called odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2. Where n is an integer. Integer means z. So then important formulae. So what is the important formulae? First formulae, cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A into cot B into cot C. This we can write like this also, or we can write sigma cot A equal to pi cot A. Because in the examination these kind of symbols also may be given. Sir, how can you send the syllabus? I will give my mail ID here. Maths Murthy Murthy ln @gmail.com. So you can forward to this mail. Right. So now the second one, tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equals to 1. Or this can be remembered like this: sigma tan A into tan B equals to 1. So different notations I have been explaining. Okay, Mahesh, note down this. All of you can note down my email ID, maths Murthy ln@gmail.com. You can forward your syllabus and respective doubts also you can share. Otherwise in offline session also you can ask the doubts. So now the 15th one. Let's have a discussion on 15th one. So what is the 15th one? A plus B plus C is equal to n pi, where n is an integer, n belongs to z. That means this is 0 or pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, anything like that it may be. So then first formula, tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals to, right, tan A into tan B into tan C, or you can remember like this: sigma tan A equal to pi means continuous product, cyclic product, pi tan A we can write. And second formula, cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A is equal to 1. Or you can remember this one as like this: sigma cot A cot B equals to 1. Right. So now 16th one. This is also important. You need to remember this one. Remember. And after final I will explain two super shortcuts. That is a bonus to you today. After completion of this last I will explain super shortcut. That super shortcut is every problem you can solve. So the 16th. Some trigonometric values. Trigonometric values. Welcome Kishore. Of some trigonometric values of standard angles. Standard angles. I don't discuss 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 30 degrees like that. Special angles. So first, so you make a list like this. This is theta. Next angle is 15 degrees, 22.5. Okay, 67.5 and 75 degrees. These also you need to remember. Here you remember this one is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. Enough. Okay, sin 15. What is sin 15? You see sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 22.5. Root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 and whole root 2. 67.5. Root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and whole root 2. Sin 75, very simple. Here in 15 you put the plus sign. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Clear? It's clear? Najib, Kishore. Cos theta. Cos theta means in reverse order write down. In reverse order write down. Reverse order means this becomes root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next this one we need to write. Root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 whole root 2. This is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 and whole root 2. This will be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So tan theta is very simple. Tan theta is very simple means this by this. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 cancel. This will be 2 minus root 3. Minus root 3. So this will be root 2 minus 1. This will be root 2 plus 1. So this will be 2 plus root 3. In reverse order write down. This will be 2 plus root 3. Root 2 plus 1. Root 2 minus 1. 2 minus root 3. So in this way all the values we can remember. So please note down all. Now I am going to explain the super shortcut. Super shortcut. This is the bonus for today's class. Super shortcut. So this is 17th one. Super shortcut I am going to explain. With the help of these super shortcuts you can solve as many as problems. So you remember like this. Whenever tan A plus tan B there, simply you substitute like this. Tan of A plus B into 1 minus tan A tan B write down. That's all. Within fraction of seconds the problem can be solved. So whereas tan A minus tan B is there. You write down very simple manner. Tan of A minus B into 1 plus tan A tan B. And one more super shortcut. 18th one. If A plus B equals to 90 degrees, that implies, already we have discussed, and sorry, this is and tan A plus tan B equal to P. Here P does not equal to 0. Then one by one I will discuss. If you are asked, first one, tan square A plus tan square B. Tan square A plus tan square B equals to P square minus 2. P square minus 2. Second shortcut, tan cube A plus tan cube B. This equals to P cube minus 3P. P cube minus 3P. P cube minus 3P. Tan square A plus tan square B is equal to P square minus 2, and tan cube A plus tan cube B equal to P cube minus 3P. So this is also, so this actually, these are very important, Nana. Very important. Please remember, besides formula, don't forget these two formulae. These two formulae will play a major role to solve the problems in compound angle chapter. You might be observing tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow I discuss the questions. While discussing the questions, definitely what is the importance of these two super shortcut, you will be going to get to know about the shortcuts. So thank you. So if you have now, the 4 minutes time will be allotted to you, so you can have the doubts now. So doubt session, this is actually the first class I have started for Ecet classes. It may be useful for Eamcet students also. You can recommend to the Eamcet students to watch my video. But tomorrow onwards, like, share and subscribe. Okay? Any doubt, Nana, you can ask. One minute. Eighth. Okay. Okay, Nana. Schedule daily 8 p.m. to 8:50. 8 p.m. to 8:50. 8 p.m. to 8:50, Nana. Kishore, actually you can send a WhatsApp link to our friends now. Is it possible? So that they can join in our WhatsApp group. Because I forwarded, but you may not be getting that one, I think so. I will try now. I will try. Yes, you can join in this WhatsApp group. I forwarded. So that daily, and if you subscribe also, you will be getting the notifications, Nana. Okay, Khalil, shall I move to next page, last page? Do you need anything? Okay, shall I conclude the session, today's session? Okay, Mahesh, I will go through it, definitely, today. I will go through it. Thank you. Thank you. Have you followed, all of you? Is it okay? Audible? Visible to you? First one. Okay, wait. I'll come to first one now. Next answer. Next page. You want next page? Okay, thank you, Nana. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.